Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 96GB kit with two 48GB sticks running at a blistering 6400 MHz with CL32 timings. This memory is designed for Intel's XMP and is ICUE compatible. First impressions are strong. The black heat spreaders look sleek and feel substantial, and the 10-zone RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable. The panoramic light bar ensures the colors pop from any angle, adding a premium aesthetic to any build. But it's not just about looks. This kit boasts onboard voltage regulation, which offers finer control and more stable overclocking through Corsair's ICUE software. This is a significant improvement over relying solely on motherboard control, allowing for more precise adjustments and potentially higher overclocks. The custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles are another standout feature. ICUE allows you to create and save multiple XMP profiles, tailoring performance to specific applications or tasks. This is incredibly useful for gamers who want different settings for different games, or for content creators who need optimized performance for video editing or rendering. The timings are 32-40-40-84, and the voltage is 1.4V. Compatibility is listed for Intel 700 series chipsets, so make sure your motherboard supports this RAM before purchasing. In terms of performance, this RAM kit is a beast. The 6400 MHz speed and tight CL32 timings translate to snappier response times, faster loading screens, and smoother multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working with large datasets, this RAM will handle it with ease. The 96GB capacity is especially beneficial for demanding applications like video editing, 3D rendering, and scientific simulations. The ICUE software is intuitive and easy to use. Customizing the RGB lighting is a breeze, with dozens of preset profiles to choose from, where you can create your own unique lighting schemes. The software also allows you to monitor RAM temperature, voltage, and frequency, giving you complete control over your memory. The Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 96GB kit is a top-tier memory solution for enthusiasts and professionals alike. It combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional performance and advanced features like onboard voltage regulation and custom XMP profiles. If you're looking to upgrade your system with the best DDR5 RAM on the market, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.